Introducing the all-new Turtle Wax Spot Clean.
Today we're visiting a client of mine, Sarah, and her Range Rover needs a little bit of love. I noticed on the interior that the original carpet has some kind of nasty stains and spots, especially towards the back, the front driver mat, kind of the most used areas of the car. So we decided to go with Spot Clean, the new product, and it worked phenomenal.
Before I came, my car had some coffee stains. I have a dog. There was some just wear and tear from the dog, and definitely had some spots that needed cleaning up.
So I look at Spot Clean as one of those like must-haves in your glove box, because whether you spill your morning coffee or you are doing an errand and you get a nasty stain like was in the back of Sarah's car, Spot Clean is kind of that quick, easy, and efficient spot remover product. Spot Clean has an innovation in the delivery system that is non-aerosol. So a lot of spot carpet cleaners will be aerosol based. Turtle Wax decided to go with the trigger, but you don't lose any of that foam. So with carpet cleaning or spot cleaning, you really want that foaming action, and this foaming trigger in the non-aerosol bottle just knocks it out of the park.
I was really surprised how easy the process was, and painless and quick.
So that's what's great about these products, because whether you're working on Sarah's Range Rover or any car, any model, any year, these new Turtle Wax products will help you restore it to make it look beautiful again.
Big thank you to Turtle Wax. My car looks so great and I can't wait to drive it.